In honor of International Women's Day, Star Cutter Company celebrates the talented women shaping the future of manufacturing. This industry is one with immense potential, and now more than ever is a critical opportunity for women to make their mark. Skilled trades remain underrepresented by women, and we are dedicated to changing that. Our strength lies within our people, individuals who push boundaries, improve processes, and lead with innovation. We are proud of our commitment to promoting from within, encouraging our team members to take on more responsibilities and advance their skills. Whether through apprenticeship programs or continuous learning opportunities, we are dedicated to helping our people advance throughout their careers. We believe that careers in manufacturing and skilled trades should be accessible to everyone. The industry needs diverse perspectives and talents, and there is a place for women to shape the future of manufacturing. If you're ready to take on a new challenge, to learn, innovate, and grow, we encourage you to consider a career in this exciting field. At Star Cutter, we are dedicated to every individual's growth, and we want you to be a part of that journey.